everyone, it's Trish. Today I'm going to show you a super fun kit from Softflex. It is called the Peace and Love Kit. What they do every month is they put a kit together and it's a surprise. When you get yours, you are not to put it out there that you've gotten it until it is revealed by the company. So it can be kind of a surprise for everybody. So today I'm going to show you the Peace and Love Kit, which is super gorgeous, super high-end. I really loving this kit. First off, they always seem to get, not always, but they seem to get mixes from Jesse James beads that go with each one of their themes. This one's called Peace and Love, of course, and it is just, I'm going to pour it out here on this surface so you can see it a little better because this bowl is red inside, but you can see this mix is just gorgeous. It has all of the coordinating colors, it has spacers, it has a clasp, some really cool cage beads. Look at those crystals. Those are super fun. Really, really pretty. And, it's really just an all-around perfect mix to go with the Czech Glass that's included. They also include ear wire. They included in this month's ear wires, a lobster clasp, and some crimps in there for you. A cute little pendant with a dove on the front for peace, and also the peace sign on the back. And of course, you're going to get some Softflex. This is a beautiful antique brass color. It's in their metallics line in the medium, size medium. Super cool. I love the color that goes with everything. And then last but not least, of course, we have some beautiful Czech Glass. This pink one, I know that's the first one that caught your eye because it's the first one that got mine too. This is the coolest fire polish I've ever seen in my life. I don't know, but it is like this pink matte and it's faceted. It's just, I just can't wait to make some stuff with this. And then these gorgeous copper two-tone beads or Czech Glass fire polish. Really gorgeous. And then this gorgeous, almost like an orange sherbet color of Czech Glass. And then we have the black beads. These are, I believe, Drux, and they have like a really cool AB on them that catch, and it just goes back to that beautiful mix and the beautiful Czech Glass. And then these gorgeous Czech teardrop beads. Really, really fun. So that is it, guys. This is the beautiful kit that I've received, and I can't wait to play with it. I will let you know the pieces that I make with it. And if you haven't checked these kits out, head on over to Softflex and check them out. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.